Meaning of eastbound.
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 Eastbound. Eastbound refers to a direction or movement towards the east, which is the cardinal point on the opposite side of the horizon from the west. This term is commonly used in transportation, such as in describing the direction of a train or a highway. Eastbound traffic or transport generally moves from west to east. For example, if someone is driving eastbound on a highway, they are heading towards the east. Similarly, an eastbound plane is flying in the direction of the eastern hemisphere.